What happens when a simple cap seller outsmarts even a king with his brains? Find out in this amazing story. Disclaimer: this story is taken from the internet. The channel does not claim that it is 100% true. It is presented only for educational and entertainment purposes. Long ago, in a small village, there was a cap seller selling caps on his small cart. He was not only a good businessman, but also very smart. He had all kinds of caps, colorful, attractive, and extremely cheap. He would start his day with the sunrise and would be busy selling his caps all day. One day suddenly the king in the village announced that he was going to organize a big competition where all the traders would have to present something unique for their business. Hearing this, the cap seller also got into thinking. He thought, this is a chance to show my cleverness. If I can impress the king, my business can grow miraculously. The king called all the merchants for the competition. Everyone was given a chance to show their business skills. Some merchants kept on displaying their goods, while some tried to impress the king with their cleverness. The hat seller also joined the competition, but he did not show anything special to the king. He only had an ordinary hat, which he took out from his cart and placed in front of the king. The king asked in surprise, "You have just this ordinary hat? Have you come to tell us what is special in this hat?" The hat seller smiled and said softly, "Maharaj, this is not just an ordinary hat. This hat introduces the king to his power and wisdom." The king laughed and said, "Are you kidding me? You have nothing, and you are explaining to me about power and wisdom?" The hat seller challenged the king, "Your Majesty, if this hat was really ordinary, would you be willing to wear it?" The king thought it was a foolish proposal and said, "Well, if you are asking me to wear this hat, then I am willing to wear it." The king put on the hat. But as soon as he put the hat on, something strange started happening. His eyes sparkled and he felt completely confident. He immediately felt a new kind of power and his self-esteem increased tremendously. He now felt very powerful and clever. The king said to the hat seller, "You have really proved me wrong. This hat has increased my power in an amazing way." The hat seller laughed and said, "Your Majesty, this hat is not a magic hat. It only awakens the power within you. You were already very powerful. You just did not find a way to recognize it." The king was surprised and asked the cap seller, "So what is your cleverness?" The cap seller smiled and said, "Your power depends only on your self-confidence. I was able to instill that confidence in you." The king now understood that this clever merchant had not come to sell just one cap, but had made the king realize his own power. The king rewarded him with bags full of gold and silver and said, "You are a true wise man. Without your cleverness, I would not have understood this." The cap seller thanked him and returned to his village with his cart. But now he was not just a cap seller, he had become the most respected person in the village. Did you ever think that a simple cap can change someone's entire life? If you like this story, like, share, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.